Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to unlock your Instagram profile. Please be sure to watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. And then in the bottom right corner, we click on your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars: Settings and Privacy. Here we open the privacy account, and in order for us to unlock it, we have to turn the slider off. It is obligatory to note that now we will have access. That is, now anyone can subscribe to us, put a like, write a comment, also write a message to us in the direct. But in order that if you want to still unblock, you click Switch to Public. Make your account public. This is the simple way to unblock your Instagram profile. But if you helped and liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.